Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can use Visa gift card on Pandabuy. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in pandabuy.com, so this is how the homepage looks like. So the first thing that we're gonna do guys is click right here and then make sure that you are logged into your account. So if you want to use your Visa gift card, firstly search for the product that you want to buy. So go to the search bar and then type any name of product that you want, or shop link or PI. From here you can search by image if you want. So if you click on it, you can upload an image and search by the image. And lastly, the search button right here. Go ahead and click, for example, we're gonna search for shoes. Click on choose and then you can choose any item that you want from this list. So for example, I'm gonna choose a product. So I'm gonna choose this one, for example. Go ahead and click on it. And then once you click on it, right here, you're gonna find the name of the product, the price. Right here, some informations about shipping. And here you can choose the size. For example, this one. You can choose the color from here. And right here, you can choose the quantity that you want. And if you scroll down right here, you will have two options, buy now and add to cart. So for example, we're going to click on add to cart. You need to agree first to the terms and here click on add to cart. And as you can see guys right here in this message, the product is added to the cart. So in order to go to the cart, the first thing that you need to do guys is go to the top right corner, click on your image, and under it you're gonna find user center, order, warehouse, sell, wallet, and logout. Go ahead and click on user center and then you're gonna be right here. So once you're here, go ahead and click on cart and right here you're gonna find all of the products in your cart. So for example, we're gonna select this one, click on submit, and then you can go ahead, click I have read and agree, and then click on submit order. So once you click on submit order, you will have a menu where you can add your payment method. You can either choose your bank card, you can choose your PayPal or your Visa gift card, or so on. So this is guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.